Crypterium CRPT for the most part is expected to by and large arrive at an especially greatest cost of 0.181 in 34 continuously 2025, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Our Crypterium genuinely long-haul estimate for 2050 recommends CRPT possibly running somewhere in the range of $55 and $57.55, or so they for the most part thought. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $0.70 and 78 mark, which certainly is very huge. The typical extended cost for Crypterium in 2040 especially is supposed to generally be $34.35, with really likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $32.13 and $40.15, which in every practical sense is very critical. With the fundamentally current cost of $0.442, Crypterium generally holds its ground in the market in a truly significant way. Starting around 17 February 2024, Crypterium especially is exchanging at $0.442 in terms of its ICE rate, with the value change of 18% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they basically thought. CRPT generally has a really complete market cap of $4,188,208 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $510,741 in a genuinely significant manner. This basically makes Crypterium CRPT by and large positioning at 22.34 in the cryptographic money market, or so they truly thought. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Crypterium cost expectation end of 2024, what will Crypterium in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2024, which in every practical sense is very critical. Is Crypterium a very wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024? Will CRPT cost for the most part outperform its unequaled by and large high in an unpretentious manner? These generally are our Crypterium cost expectations for CRPT's future in a very significant manner. Crypterium CRPT value expectation 2024 as per the Crypterium figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CRPT cost in a real sense is supposed to cross an essentially normal value level of $663. The normal especially least value worth of Crypterium toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to be $645, or so they really thought. Besides, CRPT can by and large arrive at a most extreme value level of $761, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Crypterium value estimate February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Crypterium basically is supposed to for the most part be at around at least $442 in an especially enormous manner. Crypterium cost can arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $53 with the exceptionally normal cost of $49 in an unobtrusive way. Crypterium value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Crypterium explicitly is generally anticipated to generally reach at a kind of least worth of $. In walk 2024 in a truly significant way. The CRPT cost could especially arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest worth of $542 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $4 all through 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Crypterium CRPT value expectation April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Crypterium cost generally is figured to arrive at a barely the most minimal cost of $5 in an essentially significant manner. The CRPT cost could arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $548 with the very normal expected cost around $519, or so they generally thought. CRPT value figure May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Crypterium is supposed to for the most part arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $516 in an unobtrusive manner. The CRPT cost could arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $568 with a kind of typical cost around $534, which certainly is genuinely huge. CRPT value gauge June 2024. The Crypterium conjecture for June 2024 expects that the CRPT may by and large arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $5 with a really least cost of around $527 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the typical value CRPT can stretch around $5 for June in a genuinely significant manner. Crypterium value forecast July 2024. The cost of Crypterium most certainly is somewhat anticipated to sort of reach at a really least worth of $543 in July 2024 in an unpretentious way. The CRPT cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $612 with the typical exchanging worth of $561 all through 2024 in a very significant manner. Crypterium CRPT value conjecture August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of crypterium is by and large anticipated to arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $578, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $640 and a very least of $555, exhibiting how this in a real sense makes crypterium CRPT for the most part positioning at 1:234 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. Crypterium value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of crypterium is supposed to, in a real sense, be at around an exceptionally least of $572 in a sort of significant manner. Crypterium cost can, for the most part, arrive at a limit of $669 with the, in every practical sense, normal cost of $595 in USD. So starting around 17 February 2024, crypterium truly is exchanging at $442 in term of its est rate with the value change of 18% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Crypterium value expectation October 2024. The cost of crypterium is for the most part anticipated to especially reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $595 in October 2024. The CRPT cost could arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $698 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $613 all through 2024, or so they essentially thought. Crypterium value expectation November 2024. The cost of crypterium generally is in a real sense anticipated to in a real sense reach at least worth of $619 in November 2024, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The CRPT cost could especially arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $729 with a typical exchanging worth of $638 all through 2024 in a very large manner. Crypterium CRPT value conjecture December 2024. The crypterium CRPT cost for December 2024 may truly arrive at a genuinely least worth of $645, while the truly greater squadge cost especially is around $761, or so they truly thought. The fundamentally normal cost for CRPT essentially is most certainly anticipated to reach $663 in December 2024, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Crypterium past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been explicitly diminished by 181% in its really current worth, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In the event that we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the CRPT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down, exhibiting that crypterium value expectation walk 2024. The cost of crypterium in every practical sense is truly anticipated to by and large reach at the very least worth of $and in walk 2024, or so they especially thought. Crypterium generally is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The CRPT fundamentally is down to nearly 11.23% in the very most recent 7 days, showing how starting around 17 February 2024 crypterium for the most part is exchanging at $442 in term of its est rate with a value change of 18% in truly most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining section